So tell me something about yourself. Where from you?
Okay, so first of all, thank you for giving me this precious time. I am Priti Prajapati. I am from UP in district Mau. I have completed. I completed graduation from home science. I am a homemaker, and I am a mother, one of child. As well as I am learning this language, and I teach some children at home because this is my passion. So that's why I follow. Yeah, that's all
Okay.
mine.
So which subject do you teach?
I teach all subjects because I teach small children.
Okay, means all subject. And how many years are you in this profession?
Yeah, I like this journey. I like reading book and
Okay, okay. Now I'm asking how much time is going you are teaching to your children or taking tuition.
2 hours.
Okay, and since from 1 year, 2 year.
1 year completed. I have completed 1 year.
Okay, 1 year completed. Okay, that's great. That's great. Just wonderful. Only you teaching at home only, not going outside.
Yes, no, I teach at home because I have a daughter and she is only 4 years old. So that's why I can't go anywhere.
Yeah, yeah, that's the main reason. All are very suffering from that reason. Due to kids, we can't go outside and do something whatever we want. That is the main problem. Yeah, that will be very good because 1 to 5 years is very crucial for kids. So we want to take care of that children. That age is very important to teach something good or for something good bad, something for good. And what we teach in this period, they are grab very you can say whatever we teach, they are following us. you know if we
Yes.
are doing something good, so they also following mother and father. So it's very tough situation to mother to handle kids and also going to outside for job. So it will be our choice. We are home at home and doing something for us. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
see, I forget that little bit your introduction. I want to know.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So my name is Priya Thakur and I'm from Maharashtra. And my qualification is I'm completed Master of Business Administration. I am a mother of two children and I'm a housemaker. And apart from that, I'm doing not good taking care of children and teaching to and improving my communication in my free time. And also in these days, I have a lot of pressure of other work. So yeah, doing that.
So apart from that, what do you do?
Yeah, these days I'm not doing nothing, just my improving my communication. And also in my in-laws side there is some work, so I'm handling that work, but I'm now sharing here that work.
Yes.
Okay, what is your hobby? Means what you doing your leisure time?
Yeah. Sometimes. Yeah. It's depend my mood. Like sometimes I like reading books. Sometimes I start listening song.
Yeah. Yes, yes. But yeah, we not follow our hobbies also when we are married. So we have lots of work, so we are forget our hobbies all, because we now
Yeah.
can't give that too much time for that. So yeah, this will happen with everybody for hobbies also. We change our hobbies also day by day, or time period. It changes our hobbies like. Yes.
Oh,
So How
We will
many
get.
days are going? You are just learning this language.
Sorry, ma'am. Repeat.
How many days are going? You are learning this language.
Okay. So if I talk about my starting journey, so I have already completed 1 year, but that time my daughter was very small. I didn't get so much time, so that's why I was not practicing a lot of. But nowadays I practice focus, really focus. I really focus 2 months, and yeah, it's going well.
Yes. So, what do you do for improving yourself? You are means what you doing? Which kind of using methods for this language? Can you some give your yes?
I practice lot of like listening practice, speaking practice, and sometimes I get so much time. So that time I create a story because there is no any environment, any partner. There is in my family there are 4 members, and my father-in-law, and my husband, and my daughter, and me. And there is no any environment in my family. So I am alone at home, and I speak myself.
Okay, yeah. Yes. And how many session do you attend like video for
Uh,
practicing?
30.
30 since now 30. 30. Okay, so I think you have also your channel. What's your channel name?
Yeah, my channel name is English with Gamali because I was born in village area, and I joined in village area, but I get married. I got married after that. I came here in Greater Noida because my husband working here, so that's why I live. So already I have completed 5 years older here.
Okay. You are in Noida since now it's completed 5 years. Okay, okay, that's great. Wonderful. So means do you speak English with your children means at home?
Yes, little bit.
Okay. Because yeah, children is the best, yeah. So we practice with that because they didn't judge what we speak. So yeah, we are very freely mind. We speak very if, means we are not thinking about what in front of people, thinking our language because at the beginner stage we are making lots of mistakes. So when we speak in front of children, yeah, we are remove our hesitation and fear also. So that is a good way to speak with your children. They are improving their English as well as we are improving our English as well. Because on my side, I'm also doing same thing. I'm talking with my children regularly, sometimes with my husband, not regularly because they are working very busy from morning to night, so they have didn't time to this. So
I
I'm doing this.
I try my best always with my daughter, but she doesn't like speak. She understands she in cartoons in English, but she doesn't like speak with me.
Okay, yeah. You say just you can talk with me just little bit. Start from 5 minutes, 10 minutes. After that, she is started talking like you because some children are here, so depend on mood. If we are talking to her, they not talking like so. Sometimes they are busy with so other things like their own games and some busy with friends, so they didn't like to talk, especially with parents because they're thinking like parents are very pressuring to our children. That's why this reason.
Okay. So tell me, How to improve communication skill, like how to become a fluent. Sometimes I feel like I'm not uh, speak I'm not speak faster.
Yes, of course. Yeah, maybe it's like taking time. It's not a small thing. We are just give 8 to 9 days and we are be fluent. It will be take time like 5 to 6 months. It depend about how much we give time for practice, like 1 hour, 2 hour. Suppose we are practicing 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours daily. So yeah, within 2 to 3 months you can speak very fastly, because listening and whatever we are hearing from our ears, we are easily grab. So yeah, so we can easily speak fastly within 3 hours. But for that we want to give at least 2 hours daily, and 1 hour speaking. Sometimes we are give 1 hour to reading. Some improve your grammar and advanced level of vocabulary parts. It's very important, because sometimes we don't know the advanced words and phrasal verbs. So for that, we want to give effort like 1 to 2 hours reading, writing, as well as speaking. These are four ladders, so we need to follow, because without that, so we can't be fluent. Only some people says you can speak, and after that you will be fluent. But sometimes I feel that without practicing writing and reading, how can be perfect? Because sometimes we so in front of people using a advanced word, and you didn't know that meaning. So how can you use this word from your communication? So that for that we want to at least give half an hour to reading and half an hour to your grammar, and enough 20 to 25 minutes for speaking. So it will 2 hours you give regularly. So within 4 to 5 months you will be a fluent on my side. Like I'm practicing. That's why I'm saying.
Right.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's happened. I know all things like grammar and how to make sentence. I know, but in front initial days, I start talking to each other, people, new people. So I feel hesitate and I forget
Right.
that so much word. So
Yeah, that's
yeah,
why
it
I'm saying, for that, if you read regularly some words like over 10 to 5 words, and this word you can use in your communication. So you can't forget that word. So that be a best way. You read first, and second day you use these same words in your communication. Like you give this topic to in front of people on the whatever you learned yesterday. So that is a beneficial. So whatever I learn, I using these words in my conversation. You feel good that time. So you be faster than gradually.
okay. So ma'am, now I'm going to teach you. Children
Okay.
are okay. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.